New from LinkedIn in January 2026, a change of user experience for events. If you are an event host or you're involved with events in any way, this one's for you. For a long time, LinkedIn has made it possible for us to see a lot of analytics, a lot of information about the events we set up, including comments, including people who've registered, and all the rest. All of this is still here, but now it looks a little different. Previously, when you went into your event, you would have a nice big image at the top, and underneath it, all the functionality. Now it has changed to a small thumbnail sitting at the top of the left column, and in there is all the functionality that we are used to, plus the odd bit of new material there for us as well. Now, this is the main page, as you can see here on the screen, with all the different areas down the left-hand side. If you want to have a look at all of your analytics, you simply go to the analytic highlights area and you can see a lot more information. Now, the people I've spoken to about this tend to think the information isn't that accurate, but I'm expecting it will improve over time as any glitches are ironed out. It's very usual on LinkedIn to have glitches when we get a new change like this, particularly quite a large one. So over time, I'm sure it will be better. Still, there's a lot more analytics here than we are used to, and they're a lot easier to find. They're all in one place. So the analytics about the live stream itself sit at the top, and underneath all the analytics for the post that introduces the event. Now, that information is all the same as you would see in a normal post, which of course has extended dramatically in the last 12 to 24 months. So a lot of information for us there that we can now see. You can see your comments on the event nice and easily as well, simply by going to the comments tab over here on the left-hand side. So I think all of this is a lot easier for us all to manage, and you can see from looking at this that there are one or two more things down the bottom. So for example, you can see all of your events all in one place. That's a very useful thing. You can go into the live studio from here as well. You can even view it as a member, and that just takes you to the outside of the event and shows you that same user interface that we've already seen and been used to for the last few years. So there's a lot of information on here. I think this is a great move from LinkedIn. It'll take a bit of getting used to the new look of it, but it's a great way to start the year, a very updated look to a LinkedIn live event.